Hi guys, today we're back with another fall look. So we're just going in with some Pale Louise base here and we're just putting that all over the lids. And today we're going in with the Doll Beauty Artist Collection palette. Look how stunning this is. And we're just taking this shade here and we're going to put that all over the lids, and that's just setting that base. Please don't forget to subscribe guys, it is free, we are trying to get to 10k this year. Now I'm just taking this brown shade and I'm focusing this mainly in the crease area. Now we're just taking the darkest brown in this palette and we're just applying that all over the lid. We're just going into that crease and this is where we're going to start blending up again. So this is the 3 shades that I'm using here in this palette, and we're just going to start blending up with the lighter shades now. There is a lot of blending in this, but you just blend as much as you want. Obviously I have edited this so it is a little bit more quicker. So we're just going in with some mascara and we're going to go in with some lashes. These are the Pale Louise lashes and they are absolutely stunning. I was actually so scared that they were going to be quite heavy, but they're not, they're actually super light. So these are the Cut the Check lashes and I'm just applying them using the Wing It Glue Liner by Prima Makeup. Honestly, a lash just makes it look sometimes. Absolutely love that glue liner as well, it's fantastic. Sticks any lashes in seconds. So I'm just going on to the base. Again, I'm going in with my Rimmel foundation. I'm absolutely loving this at the moment. And I'm just applying this all over the face with a foundation brush. Now I'm just going to have a little bit of the H&B concealer and I'm just dotting this under the eyes just to brighten it up a little bit. And I'm just blending that out with a fluffier brush. Now we're going in with a little bit of powder. This is the Peaches powder and we're just dabbing this under the eyes to set that. Just going in with a little bit of MAC Studio Fix powder and we're just dabbing this all over the face. Now we're just going to take the dark bronzer in this palette and we're just going to bronze up this face a little bit. How stunning is this bronzer? It's absolutely beautiful. I absolutely loved using this palette and it's definitely going to be a go-to from now on. Now we're just taking this blusher shade and we're going in with a little bit of blusher on our cheeks. Now I'm just moving back to the eyes and I'm just blending out that dark brown shade in my lower lash line. Now we're going to have my Boy by lip liner and these 2 lip colours in the same palette. And I'm just putting the lightest colour in the centre of my lips. And we're going in with this little Doll Beauty lip gloss in C'est La Vie, I think it is. And I'm just adding that on top. Now we're taking the top highlighter here and we are just putting that on the brow bone and the inner corner and on my cheeks and stuff as well. I definitely wanted to add a little bit of highlight to this. Absolutely love the Doll Beauty highlighters. So I'm just adding a little bit of a dark brown liner by Peaches and Cream. And that is basically this look done. I hope you guys love it. Do not forget to subscribe guys, we are trying to reach 10k. Hope you guys love this and I'll see you guys in my next videos. Bye.